What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Are you looking for the ultimate frisbee? For ultimate frisbee? Now, I've just kind of gotten into ultimate frisbee here recently because a buddy of mine asked me to play with his group, and I wanted to pick this up because I wanted to be a contributor to the team. Now, a frisbee is not that expensive, and I don't know that they call them frisbees anymore. They're called like discs, and even you yell that as you're serving your disc. You're like, disc! Or like disc, if I throw it because it doesn't fly very far. But this is like a 175 gram disc. It's a pretty typical one. You can see here, it's all white plastic. What I like about it is it's pretty hard. There it is, 175 gram by Discraft. This is UltraStar white. It comes in a couple of different colors, but white was the cheapest. And white is usually a little easier to see when you're out there. But you can see we have this rounded edge. It looks just like any other frisbee I've ever used, but the weight is really out here in this edge. And so that's what, kind of gives it that momentum when it's spinning, that centrifugal force kind of throws everything to the outside here. It's got some nice metallic printing on the top. Discraft, Discstar. I bet you could use this for frisbee golf too, if you wanted. But this is pretty cheap. You can pick it up anywhere, and I feel like it's going to work pretty well. But the real question is not how cheap it is, but how well does it fly? So let's find out. Well, she seems to fly pretty good. If you want to pick this sucker up, I'll put a link to the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.